Hi guys, it's Danielle here. I'm trying this project today, replacing this condenser in my 2012 Honda Civic. Hit a deer, and this got pretty bent in, as you can see. So what I did was I took the bumper off already. To do that, basically, there's a screw over here. You unscrew, and then there's like these push pin, kind of black push pin, these things that hold it in. So then you're gonna do that on both sides, and then take these things off the bottom, and then it just kind of snaps right off. For the condenser, there was 2 bolts up here with these things connecting over here, like so. I took both of those off, and now I believe there's just 2 things on the bottom here. The lines. Okay. The lines there. And oh. Okay, well, this comes off too. I hope it doesn't rain. Okay. I also got some new brackets here because these is pretty rusty. This is 2012. Alright, there's the old condenser. She's out. There's the space that it was in. Good morning, guys. Alright, so it got dark last night, but we did put the condenser in. This is what it looks like. It's straight now. So now it's just time to put the bumper back on. And the screw for this bottom was loose. It's like not it's like a little bent. So it's not going in. So what I did was take like a medical glove and a hair tie. I don't want any dirt getting in lines or anything. So I just covered the line with that and plugged the plug with the plug that came with it. So I'm gonna go get a new screw. Alright, you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching.